Hi, in exercise SYS-3 we'll look into electromagnetic compatibility issue. We'll design 3 systems for the 3 identical pumps, but the pumps will be installed in 3 different locations: an airport, an office building and a factory. So we'll have to obey the regulations in these 3 different areas, and you see in the table that total harmonic distortion voltage is different, or the constraint is different in each of the 3 cases. So as usual, we enter the right parameters according to the spec, and we scroll down to check frequency converter. Yes, take the one wall mounted, and then click on show report, and here we find the THD values for both voltage and current. It's 16 for voltage, but of course we've forgotten to correct the short circuit power. It's sort of a strength of the grid to 1000 MVA. And now we do the same for frequency converter, and again show report, and you see THD value for voltage is just 3.2, so it is much lower. So what we do for benchmarking, we first save this system under 6P, 6 pulse, and it appears in my systems. So now we go through the beginning. Again, we enter the same parameters, and we do not forget to correct the short circuit power to 1000. And now we try different converter and transformer combination. So we go for 3-winding transformer and the corresponding converter with 12 pulse. So now we get a frequency converter again, and we need to go to show report. Yes, and we see that the THD values are much lower than before, just 1 point something. So we save the system with 12 pulse, 12P name, and now we can find both systems, 6P and 12P, in my systems, and we can benchmark them and see the spider diagram. And of course we see that the 12 pulse system has much better THD values than compared to the 6 pulse. And we see the numbers up in the table. Yes. So we go through the beginning again to investigate the 3rd variant, and again we correct short circuit power. So this time we're going to look at the active front end solution, which promises the lowest THD values. So we choose 4-quadrant low voltage converter, this one, and we see what happens. So we choose the wall mounted converter again and go to show report as usual, and let's see what we get. We get very low THD values here for both current and voltage. Yes. But please note, the THD voltage and THD current are 2 different THD values, and be careful with that. Thank you for watching.